When we reviewed the £89 Kindle last year, we said it was the best ebook reader available. The new Kindle Touch, which costs £109, is even better. It's slightly larger and heavier than the previous Kindle, and this means it can store more than twice as many books, around 3,000 of them, and its battery lasts twice as long, at around 2 months, so there's no need to charge it very often. The major difference between the Kindle Touch and previous models is, somewhat obviously, the touchscreen. This worked very well and was both quick and responsive. Typing using the touchscreen keyboard worked well, and it made holding the Kindle more comfortable. Turning pages with a thumb while holding the Kindle in one hand was very, well, handy. With the addition of a touchscreen, Amazon has done away with all but 2 of the physical buttons. The home button, to get back to the main screen, and the standby button. The home button is just below the bottom of the screen and looks a bit like a speaker. The standby button is on the bottom of the Kindle, next to the headphone jack and the micro USB port. The screen doesn't refresh as often now, which means that a strange ghosting effect can occur. This was particularly evident when turning the keyboard on and off. When the screen does refresh, however, these remnants will disappear. It just takes a little while sometimes. Under the experimental option in the menu, there are 2 welcome returns, MP3 player and text-to-speech. These were left out of the £89 Kindle, and they were pretty well hidden features before that, but they are a welcome sight and sound for many Kindle users. A web browser is also included, and while not ideal, it can come in handy for checking emails or looking through the latest news. You can even check Computer Active. We reviewed the Wi-Fi version of the Kindle, but there's also a 3G model, which costs £169, which is pretty pricey, but you get internet for life. If you've already got an £89 Kindle, then there's little point in upgrading, but those still using Kindle keyboards might want to consider the new Kindle Touch. Typing and navigating around menus is simple, and the touchscreen makes everything quicker and slicker. For our money, the Kindle and all its variants are still the best ebook readers available.